Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this series, we'll take a detailed look inside your vehicle's cabin to uncover the essential components that contribute to your driving experience. From familiar parts like the steering wheel and seats to lesser-known components like the HVAC system and center console, we'll explore their names, functions, and importance in ensuring comfort, safety, and convenience on the road. Get ready to deepen your understanding of your car's interior and gain insights into its inner workings. Discover 20 essential car interior parts, names and functions. Car interiors are often a mystery to many drivers, with a plethora of buttons, switches, and levers that can sometimes feel overwhelming. Understanding the names and functions of the various car interior parts can not only enhance your driving experience but also help you troubleshoot issues and communicate effectively with mechanics. Let's look into the world of car interiors and uncover the 20 essential interior parts along with their names and functions. From the steering wheel and dashboard to the gear shift and sun visors, each component plays a crucial role in ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. Buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey to demystify the inner workings of your vehicle. Dashboard components. The dashboard of a car is like a control center, providing essential information about the vehicle's performance and status. Let's explore 3 critical components that make up the dashboard. Speedometer. The speedometer is a crucial instrument on your car's dashboard that displays the vehicle's current speed. It helps you stay within the speed limit and ensures a safe driving experience. By monitoring your speed, you can adjust your driving accordingly and maintain road safety. Tachometer. The tachometer measures the engine's revolutions per minute, RPM, indicating how hard your engine is working. It helps you determine the engine's performance and efficiency, allowing you to shift gears at the optimal time. By keeping an eye on the tachometer, you can avoid overworking your engine and improve fuel efficiency. Fuel gauge. The fuel gauge provides information about the amount of fuel left in your tank, helping you avoid running out of gas unexpectedly. It is essential for planning your refueling stops and ensuring you never get stranded due to an empty tank. Keeping an eye on the fuel gauge allows you to maintain a sufficient fuel level for your journeys. In summary, dashboard components like the speedometer, tachometer, and fuel gauge play crucial roles in monitoring your vehicle's performance and ensuring a safe and efficient driving experience. Paying attention to these indicators can help you make informed decisions while on the road. Seating features. Picture this. You're cruising down the highway, and you lean back into your plush seat, adjusting the headrest to support your neck while enjoying the lumbar support that eases the strain on your lower back. Car seats are more than just places to park yourself, they are designed to enhance comfort, safety, and overall driving experience. Let's dive into 2 key components of car seat design: headrests and lumbar support. Headrests. Headrests in vehicles aren't just for resting your head, they play a crucial role in ensuring your safety on the road. In the event of a sudden stop or collision, the headrest prevents whiplash by limiting the backward movement of your head. Properly positioned headrests can reduce the risk of neck injuries and provide crucial support during unpredictable situations. Remember, adjusting your headrest to the right height is essential for optimal protection. Lumbar support. Ever felt discomfort or pain during long drives? Lumbar support is here to rescue you. This feature focuses on supporting the natural curve of your lower back, reducing pressure and fatigue when you're behind the wheel for extended periods. By maintaining the proper alignment of your spine, lumbar support promotes better posture and alleviates strain, allowing you to arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready for more adventures on the road. So, sit back, relax, and let your car seat do the work for you. Interior lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in the interior of a car, enhancing visibility, safety, and overall driving experience. Let's shed some light on 2 essential components of car interior lighting. Dome light. The dome light, typically located on the ceiling in the center of the cabin, serves as the main source of interior illumination. It is activated when you open the car door or use the switch near the rear-view mirror. This light provides ambient illumination, allowing passengers to enter and exit the vehicle safely, especially in low-light conditions. The dome light also helps in locating items inside the car at night, ensuring convenience and ease of access. Reading lights. Reading lights, also known as map lights, are smaller individual lights usually found near the overhead console or above the rear-view mirror. These lights offer directed illumination, making it easier for passengers to read maps, books, or electronic devices without distracting the driver. Reading lights are invaluable during nighttime travel, providing a personalized lighting solution for passengers to engage in activities that require focused light. Their adjustable nature allows for customized brightness levels to suit individual preferences, contributing to a comfortable and enjoyable journey. Steering wheel controls. In today's modern vehicles, steering wheel controls play a crucial role in enhancing the overall driving experience. These features are designed to provide convenience, safety, and efficiency to drivers, allowing them to focus more on the road ahead without distractions. Let's delve into two essential functions found in steering wheel controls. Audio controls. Audio controls integrated into the steering wheel allow drivers to adjust the volume, change radio stations, and even activate voice commands without having to take their hands off the wheel. This not only enhances convenience but also promotes safety by minimizing distractions. With just a press of a button or a simple turn of a knob, drivers can easily manage their music or incoming calls, keeping their focus where it matters most on the road. Cruise control. Cruise control, often found within easy reach on the steering wheel, enables drivers to maintain a constant speed without the need to continuously press the accelerator pedal. This function is particularly beneficial during long highway drives, as it helps reduce fatigue and promotes fuel efficiency. By simply activating cruise control, drivers can relax their feet and enjoy a more consistent and controlled driving experience. Additionally, cruise control can aid in adhering to speed limits and avoiding unintended acceleration. Steering wheel controls are a fundamental aspect of vehicle ergonomics, offering drivers a seamless way to operate various functions without taking their hands off the wheel. These features not only make driving more efficient but also contribute to a safer and more enjoyable journey behind the wheel. Climate control. In a car, managing the interior climate is essential for a comfortable ride. Let's explore two key components that play a crucial role in regulating the temperature inside a vehicle. Air conditioning vents. Air conditioning vents are like the gatekeepers of cool or warm air within your car. These strategically placed openings allow the conditioned air to flow throughout the cabin, ensuring that each passenger receives a comfortable breeze. By adjusting the direction of the vents, you can direct the airflow where it's needed most, distributing the air evenly to maintain a pleasant ambiance inside the car. As we conclude the first part of our series on essential car interior parts, we hope you've gained valuable insights into the names and functions of these critical components. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue our exploration of the car's interior and uncover even more essential parts that contribute to your driving experience. Until then, may you appreciate the intricacies of your vehicle's cabin and enjoy the journey ahead. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.